Hi guys, it's Jennifer with One Crafty Sister, and it's time for Monday night's Facebook Live. How are you guys doing tonight? Let me know when you are here. It takes a couple minutes for it to catch up and for you guys to join on. So if you are here, go ahead and let me know by saying hello. And while you're doing that, I'm going to share this to my group. Hello, Feliz. How are you? Awesome. All right, so I know someone's seeing it. Okay, let's see. I'm going to share this to my group real quick, and then we'll get talking and stamping. Hi, Kat. Welcome to Monday's Facebook Live. Okay, here's where I need to share. Manic Monday, is that what it is today? It was not a manic Monday for me. I had a lovely day today. Share to a group. If I can figure out how to share right now, I'd be happy. All right, there we go. Okay. All right, shared to the group. Hi, Joyce. Welcome. All right. So I'm glad to see everyone tuning in. Hi, Jenny Sylvia. I did have actually an excellent Monday. I spent some time with my friend Kat, and we went to Rainbow Springs today and did some floating in the water. And I was really pleased at how well they maintained a low capacity there, so that even when we were in the water, that people were around, but no one was like all up on top of each other. So I was loving it. Yes, happy birthdays going out. All right, so let's talk real quick and then we're gonna do some stamping. So I want to talk to you real quick because we have a super duper awesome promotion that ends tomorrow. So if you love Stampin' Up! And you love getting a discount, and you love socializing with crafty peeps, that you might want to consider taking advantage of this promotion that we have. So through tomorrow, June 30th, when you purchase the starter kit, you get to also pick any bundle you want for free, and that's a stamp die bundle or a stamp punch bundle. So the starter kit is basically the demonstrator kit, but there are no obligations to do this, what I do. I choose to do this. I love doing this, but nobody has to do what I do. And honestly, most demonstrators do not do what I do. There's a very small percentage that do this kind of stuff as a business. So the starter kit is $99 and it's free shipping, and it includes $125 of your choice of any Stampin' Up! Product that you want. Anything your little heart desires. And so you can choose anything from our current catalog, and you'll also get to select that free bundle, any bundle. And so right now we have tons of new awesome bundles that just came out in our new catalog, and I can't imagine like why, like if I was not a demonstrator right now, I would totally jump on this special. So hi ladies, nice to see so many tuning in tonight. So anyway, $99 free shipping. You get to choose $125 and your choice of product. You're also going to get a free box of new catalogs. You're going to get one of the past paper pumpkin kits and some business supplies that you can do whatever you want with. Pass them on to someone else, keep them in case you decide to have, you might have a crafty friend that's like, hey, I would like to buy some Stampin' Up! From you. So tomorrow is the last day for that promotion. And so I just wanted to share really quick with you before we start crafting some of those bundles that you can choose. And then I'm going to play with one tonight that is one of my favorites. It's not my top because I've told you guys before, and I have it right here at my desk because it is the In Good Taste bundle. So the Tasteful Touches Tasteful Touches stamp set and the Tasteful Labels dies. Like, I can't get enough of this bundle. You could get that for free. But that's not the one I'm going to share with you tonight. But I am going to just kind of take you to the catalog to show you really quick a walkthrough of what you could get for a free bundle. So let's flip you down. All right. So this is page 173 of the catalog, is where all of our bundles start. And it starts with our stamp die bundles. So we have here the All Things Fabulous that comes with the Fabulous Florals dies and the All Things Fabulous stamp set. So you can see here the bundle, and this is a card made with it. The Wreath Builder, which builds lovely wreaths and has great sentiments and flowers and all kind of fun things. Oh, this is a very popular one, the Beautiful World bundle. Best Plaid. Look at these cool plaids that you can make with that. So fun. The Birds and Branches. If you are a lover of birds, this is to die for. Adorable. Look at these little birdies. They're so cute. They remind me, not these colors, but they remind me of some of the little birds that we have on our bird feeder outside. So Birds and Branches, super sweet. The Blossoms in Bloom bundle, gorgeous, big flowers, and the stamp set is big flowers as well. So if you like to make statement flowers on a card, this is a gorgeous suite for that, or bundle. Here is the Celebrate Sunflowers bundle, which is the one we're going to play with tonight. I love this one. So I think this is like my second favorite new bundle right now, the Celebrate Sunflowers. Here's the Flowering Blooms, some gorgeous flowers, lots of flowers. Stampin' Up! Has always really loved flowers. So if you're into flowers, this is another top one, really popular. Forever Fern bundle makes some gorgeous greenery type cards. Hand-drawn blooms, more flowers. We're seeing a theme here, huh? Definitely. And if cute is your thing, if you want to get away from the flowers but you want cute, this Hippo Happiness is precious. Many Medallions makes some awesome, really cool die cut layers. The Mountain Air, which we had in our in our fall mini catalog, this carried over, or our spring mini catalog. So this carried over, great stamp set. This is a fun new one. Nothing's Better Than. So you've got the Love You More Than Chocolate, Coffee, Cocktails, Cookies. This is super sweet. It's got little candies and cookies and cocktails and coffee or tea. We've also got the Ornate Style suite here, the Ornate Borders, or the Ornate Thanks bundle, the Painted Poppies, another really popular one that carried over from the spring. This uber duper cute Pampered Pets. If you are loving your pets, this is a great one. Look at all these awesome bundles that you can choose from. The Pattern Play bundle, if you like alphabets, these are so cool, and it comes with a really fun, and I have it here, stamp set. This Pattern Play stamp set, super fun. The Peaceful Moments, which is part of that Poppy suite. The Prized Peony, which this is going to be my July online class, so you better be ready. This is going to be super pretty, and I'm going to announce that class on the 1st of July so that you can register for that. The So Much Happy bundle. Let's see. The So Sentimental, one of my favorites from the spring catalog. I use these dies all the time. Here's that Tasteful Touches that I showed you, was one of my favorites. The Right Triangle bundle, super fun for graphic projects. Field of Tiles dies that are part of the Today's Tiles bundles. These also make some really cool layers for your cards. How many? Okay, here's some other dies that are not bundles. Let me show you. So those are all of your die bundles. Let me show you the punch bundles. Oops, other direction. Punch bundles, you have the jar of flowers, the precious little mason jar, the Posted for You with the postage stamp punch, the Field of Flowers. This is a great stamp set with these little confetti flowers punch. The Heartfelt bundle, this carried over from the spring, and it's a heart duo punch. And then just a couple more. This whale done bundle, oh my goodness, I can't get enough of this whale, so cute. The Timeless Tulips, the Fancy Phrases, and the Lovely You bundle with the new Pick-a-Punch, the Lovely Labels Pick-a-Punch. So those are all the awesome bundles that you can choose from as part of the Pick a Bundle promotion when you purchase the starter kit. So I can tell you, I would love to welcome you to the Craftastics team. We have been growing, and we are looking for more fun people to join our team. So we'd love to have you. Tonight, we are going to focus on this Celebrate Sunflowers bundle. And let me tell you, I got some card swaps in, so I don't know. Let me bring you up to my face real quick because I want to talk to you just a minute longer before we craft. I participate in card swaps, so you guys have, those of you who are demonstrators on here, are very familiar with card swaps. Those of you who are not might not know, but if you are ever a Girl Scout, if you ever swapped, like you would have 15 of something and give them to 15 Girl Scouts, and you would get 15 different things. So I do card swaps to help me have a variety of samples to show my customers, because I can't possibly have every stamp set, bundle, or whatever tool. I totally wish that I could, but I don't. So that gives me an opportunity to see projects in my hands with suites that I don't yet have, and it also allows me to show you, my customers, these projects with these suites that I don't have. But some of my favorites that came in today were from the Sunflower bundle. So I'm going to show you one that we're going to make, and then I'm going to show you like a stack more when I'm done making this card. But I'm going to show you the one that I'm going to make. I'm going to go ahead and flip you down again. So this is, if I can, my video is lagging behind in a very strange way. So I'm still talking and my video is not there. So do you guys see a sunflower card right now? Because on my video, I do not. I still see my hands. Someone let me know if you actually see the sunflower. Let's see what's going on Facebook. Well, there it is. So strange. It's still not caught up. But this card I thought was so neat, and a couple things are really cool about it. One is that it's a regular fold, but it's got this fun feature where an inch of this is cut off. So I'm going to show you. Oh, y'all are saying no. Just my hands. Okay. Hold on just a second. Let's see what's going on here, guys. Oh, now you're seeing it. Okay. All right. Some kind of weird delay tonight. I'm just going to keep going. So this is a really fun card, but one of the things that I thought would be really fun to show you is to show you the whole card, but really the way that this brick background was done is a really neat and fun and easy technique. So what you need for this project is the Celebrate Flowers stamp set and the Sunflowers die. Is one of the bundles that you can get for free. You can select this for your free bundle when you do the pick a bundle promo with the starter kit. You're also going to need the brick and mortar 3D embossing folder, and if you don't have this, you need to order this on your order. You're going to need 2 colors of ink. We're going to use Early Espresso, and we're also going to use our Whisper White craft ink. Okay. Now, I went ahead and cut out a few things ahead of time. So you're going to need the 2 sunflower pieces cut out, and I cut these out in Bumblebee. And then I also cut one out in Early Espresso. So you'll see what that's going to be like, what we're going to do with that. We're going to alter it a little. And then I've got a couple leaves. There should be another one here somewhere. Oh, there it is in my basket. Couple leaves in Just Jade. And then here, Connie, you see me in slow motion. What's going on with the internets tonight, huh? How weird. Let's see. All right, guys, I hate to do this, but I think I have to jump off and try starting again to see. So I hope you guys can come back. I'm going to try logging on again to a Facebook Live to see if we can resolve this because it is really behind and slow. So I will be right back.